it's time to feed kitties. Hi, hi. Hello. Hi, Morris. Hello, honey. Whoa, Marty. He said I ate, or don't call me late for breakfast. Yeah, don't call me late for breakfast, he says. Good kitties, good kitties. JB is packing up to head out this morning. We're gonna miss him. It's a good visit. He'll be doing the halfway thing down into Georgia, and then the rest of the way home the next day. He'll be staying at a campground tonight with the camper. Hey there, Stripey. Good boy. Good boy. It's a nice day. It's cool. There's a chill in the air. It's not miserable here. It feels great this morning. Yeah, I don't think we have any rain in the forecast until Thursday, I want to say. So I'll be having to do a little watering. I did see more birds at the bird bath yesterday. I think it was the black-capped chickadees that have the nest in the side yard. Well, it's that time again where JB's headed out. It's always the saddest part of the trip, you know, but got a little more rest this time, and the thing with Johnny was good, and we sure do appreciate him coming and hope he comes back soon.
You know, I'm going to get down there to see you someday. But now here's the difference. When I come from my project, it's enough just to see how many YouTubes we watch. Yeah, well, you show me all those YouTubes you want me to watch. That's what my project's going to be.
I'll make a list.
You giving him a little obstacle course with the van there, Donnie?
Yeah, something like that.
You got it.
You're good.
Here you go, Gray. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, Sweet Pea. Hey, Sweet Pea. So we have a friend that has stopped by on their way through North Carolina. They're out of Florida and upgraded from the original Model 3 to this in white to this beautiful new red Model 3. And it's looking pretty awesome. The kitties are making sure the car meets their inspection, I guess. Don took a little bit of O&R to the front for a spot. There was an unfortunate incident with a piece of rubber on the road. On the way here, of course. I don't know if they're smelling other things or the O&R. Probably the O&R. Don's in the process of installing my bird bath ring camera. The first was a little too far away, and he's moving it closer now.